Hey guys, it's Imak here. Today I'm visiting Seattle, Washington. So I'll be spending the next few days here. It's vacation time. So today I want to talk about a very important concept that I promise if you follow, you can achieve a lot more than you think. But before I do that, I've recorded a bunch of videos for you guys. I want to share that and we'll come back. Why stress plus rest equals success? I read this book last year called Peak Performance, and the author basically talks about why getting enough rest and getting break from your daily routine, it's very important. So imagine you work like 18 hours a day, and then you get 3 hours sleep, you get probably not great food, and then the next day, the next day, the next day. So after a month, a year, you'll be really burned out, and you're basically running on probably 20% efficiency. So I used to do that. I used to work all the time, learn all the time during the night, get probably 4 or 5 hours sleep at most, and then the next day I'll just keep going and going and going on. So this is not a great pattern for success. So I changed my pattern because I realized I need to give enough time and basically space to myself to recover from any pressure. So if it doesn't kill you, it makes you stronger. I understand that. So you put a lot of pressure, a lot of brain power on a problem, on an algorithm, on your daily job, dealing with a lot of different things. But at the end of the day, you need to make sure you shut down everything at a certain time. Right? If it's 9 p.m., you have to shut down basically everything at 9 p.m. every night and get enough sleep. Make sure your body is comfortable with the amount of sleep that you have every single night. And it's very important to actually have a constant pattern, because all these changes in your sleep pattern, it kind of disrupts your internal machine, right? So you can test how much sleep actually your body needs every single night. The way you can test it, you can actually go to bed and without setting alarm, the next day you wake up without alarm and you realize, okay, I got 8 hours sleep, I got 7 hours sleep. So we're all different, but find that number that works best for you and stick to it, right? Because if you don't give yourself enough time to recover, the result in the performance is not going to be honestly great. So even if you don't want to travel, just taking a break, go for a walk, and do something really different. Go watch a movie, go read a completely separate book. I mean, things that basically puts you out of your daily and focused work. It doesn't need to be an expensive experience, to be honest. All it matters is just needs to be a real experience, a real break without thinking about work and without being worried about different things. At the end of the day, nothing bad is gonna happen. You're gonna have your job. You'll be fine. Calm down and give yourself enough time, and your body and your mind is very strong and smarter than we think, because it will find the best solution for our future. We all have limited time, and if you're trying to learn 100 things at a time, that's not going to work. You're not going to learn them all really well. So focus on one thing. Put a lot of stress during the day. Seriously, put a lot of work and stress during the day. Finish your work, but put this goal out there. It's like, okay, I'm going to work really, really hard for the next 2 months, but I'm going to be, on vacation for a few days, right? So set that goal that you're going to have a nice break, or at the end of the day, make this promise that, okay, I'm going to work really hard during the day, but I know at 8 p.m. everything is done, and around 10 p.m. 11 p.m. I'll be in my bed at the end of the day, and I'm going to be resting for the night. Rest is actually the key in this formula, right? Remember, if you don't give yourself enough time to recover from that pressure, you will not be able to deal with pressure and understand it, things that you want to learn from it. Imagine you're experimenting a new machine learning algorithm, right? And you learn a lot during like 2 days, and you don't give yourself enough time to test it. Then the third day, if you come back to the concept, you probably don't have a good understanding. If you don't get enough sleep, if you don't get good food, if you don't give your body enough time to recover. Our body is a very intelligent and smart machine, so we need to make sure, first of all, it's always healthy. Put good food and put good energy, good sleep in it, and it will do whatever you want it to do. Don't forget to like this video, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about stress plus rest equals success. Share your thoughts. I look forward to hearing from you guys. I hope to see you soon, and bye.